I spent a year and a half living in an RV in Southern California, and it was a great experience living in the RV, but the most frustrating thing was not being able to get my RV serviced or get help when something broke. I had an air conditioner that went out in the middle of summer, and every response I had when I called to find somebody to fix it was 3 months out, 4 months out, or I'd have to pack up the RV and leave it for 2 or 3 months to get it fixed.
Well, here at Transwest, we believe in our customers enjoying their RV and having time to spend with their family, not at a service shop. So we have 13 well-trained technicians that go out on very well-equipped trucks, and they come to you. They can service you wherever you are and keep you on the road so you can enjoy your RV. Obviously, that's why you bought it. Spend time with your family, enjoy the outdoors, and we believe in that. So give us a call so we can come by and take care of your problem.